than the last time. We think this show is promising. We got very good and a lot of potential cases and some other hot cases from many visitors from all the countries of Gulf and from neighboring countries. Mostly most of our customers are from Saudi Arabia. We got a lot of customers in Saudi Arabia because we promote and sell the plastic injection machines. These machines are equipped with the servo motor for energy saving. So most of our customers like this machine because it saves a lot of power, around 50% of power. And we also have some customers in Bahrain and UAE. Also we got many inquiries from countries like Oman and Qatar. We think that Taiwanese machines are very good. They got a lot of, they got good quality. The price is reasonable. If we compare with the European and Chinese machines, we think that Taiwanese machines are getting in the middle. Better than Chinese, of course. The price is reasonable. More expensive than Chinese, but the quality is quite good. We and all of our customers are really happy with the Taiwanese machines and hope we can bring them more and more good machines from our companies that we deal with. We sell shine wheel machines in Gulf countries, Syria, Jordan and Lebanon. We are really happy with their very good quality machines. They produce plastic injection machines of servo motor and conventional pump, variable pump and hydraulic socket, hydraulic classes. They have wide range from 90 tons till 2013 tons. The clamping force. They got very good quality. They adopt good brand controller like Keba from Austria. When we introduce these machines to our customers, they like it. Especially the controllers, they like it because it's very easy and friendly. Also, they like the servo machine because it saves a lot of power. For example, the power here in UAE is a little bit expensive. So if you save around 50% of power means you save a lot of money. We are really happy with the company we deal with, and we are offering the agency, and we are their sole agent in Gulf countries. We got very good cooperation with this company, and hope we can get a lot of success in the near future. To be agents, actually we are agents of other companies, not only injection where the machine tools. We also sell machine tools in our country. We have some cooperation with other Taiwanese companies, the blow molding, but still not so good because it's still in the beginning. But for the injection machine we got with China since 4 years ago. We started 4 years ago. The blow molding and extrusion still not so much because we got some inquiries. We are following up, but most of our customers